The two were charged with failure to take action by keeping the animals in an enclosed place as required by law, resulting in the death of Wilson Gatia Karungaru on Thursday. However, while appearing before Chief Magistrate Wendy Kagendo, the two denied the charges and asked to be released on bond terms. The court released each of the accused persons on a bond of 200,000 or a cash bail of 100,000 shillings. Yesterday, at around mid-morning, 6 dogs are said to have entered the late governor's residence in Ring Road Estate on the outskirts of Nyeri town, mauling the 2.5-year-old boy to death. Efforts to save the boy from the canines were futile as the dogs were too many for the child's grandmother to handle.
Some dogs from the neighborhood managed to find their way into this compound, and they were able to snatch the young boy who was just 2.5 years old, maul him, and really cause a lot of damage to him. They attacked him, dragged him all along, and I can just imagine Margaret herself running after them, and she was fighting with them here alone.
Nyeri County Deputy Governor Mutahi Kahiga, who spoke after the incident yesterday, called on the residents in different estates who keep dogs for security purposes to ensure the dogs are locked up in their cages in the required time to avoid such a misfortune in the future.
We want to humbly request. This matter happened at 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock, why were dogs walking around, running around, stray dogs? You know, they needed to be chained, and at least we have lost a young boy whose future none of us could explain.
The boy succumbed to his injuries while he was undergoing treatment at the Outspan Hospital in Nyeri. It is from this space in this fence that the 6 dogs gained access to the late Nyeri's Governor Nderitu Gachagua's compound, where they mauled his 2.5-year-old grandson to death. As the family struggles to come to terms with the life plucked from their midst too soon, the case is set for hearing on the 28th of this month. Melita, Oletenges at the Ring Road Estate in Nyeri.